Today we're going to talk about text gradient, which lets you do these lovely gradients in your text. Let's go. So go to Canva homepage, create book cover. I am going to use a custom size because I like this size. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing and book cover design. If you're an author and would like to talk to other authors, come join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. And if you would like a free trial of Canva Pro for 30 days, link is also in the description. So Canva's new update has a whole load of new features, but this is something that we've been needing for a while. So this is called text gradient. So I'm going to assume that we're going to use this for book titles, but you can use it for all kinds of things. Let's see if we can find a... Okay, so here's our book title. Now, we've always been able to do different colors, but now we can do gradients. So we go to, you can have your default solid colors here or your default gradients. Now, both of these, if you click see all, whoa, you get loads more. So we're going to put in a gradient for this one. So let's go for see all. And there we go. Colored text with gradients, which is really cool. Let's see if we can put this to use. Let's have something like that, which is a kind of metallic gradient. Yeah, that looks better. And if you want to change your gradient, oh, hang on, let's just, yeah, okay. If you want to change your gradient, you go into your gradient there, and say you want something a little darker just at the bottom. You can add a color and get your eyedropper, drag it anywhere you want. We'll put a little bit of black in. There we go. Or red or whatever. Another cool thing you can do is you can fade things out using gradients. Now this works on any gradient, but I'm just going to show you on this example. So let's go to here, and you go to your gradient, and you've got all of these colors here. Now, if you want it to fade from the bottom, I think that's the bottom, all you have to do is you go to your color at the edge, and you take the transparency down. Then you go to the next one, take the transparency down. Can you see how it's fading? Take it down to, I don't know, 12%. Go to the next one, take it down to 23%. So that you can make your text fade, and you can also change the direction in which it fades by just changing the gradient. So it fades out in the corner there. So yeah, there's lots of interesting effects that you can use gradients for. Let's put, because this is fading a little too much, let's put some of this word back in. Right, let's go back to what we were doing. Okay, so how would you use this? Let's stick it in a book cover. Let's go to Elements. These are some things that I was playing with earlier. So let's get this one and rotate it. Make it a bit bigger so that we have more sky. And then that looks quite cool. We probably need a, let's copy that. Author name. Hi, if you're interested in book cover designs, you might like my course, Book Cover Basics. There is a link in the description. It covers things like what to look for in a book cover, how to talk to your designer about what goes in the book cover, how to do research on your comp authors so that your book cover fits the market that you are trying to sell into. If you're interested, go check it out. Right, back to the tutorial. We're going to make it much smaller and wider, and put the name down there and change the color of the text. It is probably best to have that nice and white so that it stands out. And effects, bit of shadow, not shadow, lift, to give it some lift. Now a lot of the apps which grow with text are in here, which is quite useful if you want to be playing with them. Right, so now we've got this. Doesn't look that great yet, so we need to add a flare. So let's go and find a flare. Which was the one that I liked? I think it was this one. Yeah. I think we need to turn it over so that it's coming from below. And we move it to position in front of. There we go. That's a fairly serviceable book cover. So yeah, text gradient, really, really useful. I hope you found this useful. If you did, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.